is the day when we're actually going to get a makeshift fuel system going on, hook up the rags. I got a rad support, as you guys can see. Just trying to figure out how to get this one on down here, and got that one on. I don't think I would need the fan just yet. Hopefully a fan fits though. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set you guys up as time lapse. We're gonna hook up the fuel, and we're gonna see if we can get Little Blue actually rolling back and forth, because my aunt wants to start digging around the house to put new foundation around it. So we have to clean up all this, move that over there, grab this big heavy small trailer, move it over there for now, clean up that, move it over there so I can park a Little Blue right there. I'm gonna back up a little bit and kind of back up an angle and come this way over there and then back up into there. That's going to be my best bet. And then we're going to be parking the motorhome over there where Little Blue sat before. That's the ideal plan of this video. So technically, this video, you guys will be seeing Little Blue running but not stopping, because we haven't did the brakes yet. We haven't filled it up with any fluid yet either, so we don't know if the brakes work or not. So we're going to figure this mess out, and hopefully it goes all right. I'm not too sure on that one though. So guys, as you see, I was try starting it and it won't even turn over at all, as you can see. Battery is still hooked up. I'm gonna quickly go unhook it and I'll tell you exactly what's going on. Okay guys, basically when I started up, ran for like 4 seconds, a big puff of flame came out, so I redid it, started back up, ran actually pretty good, and then I started seeing smoke over here as smoke goes kind of filling through down here and up on the vents. So I messaged Ricky saying this is what happened, and he roughly said that something grounded out, and now I'm gonna take out the dash so I can see what the hell's going on. So let's do that. Oh yeah. Ha. So guys, check that out. That's probably what was burning. Okay, everybody. So I want to do this because no one that I looked on YouTube showed you how to actually do it. To get the speedo cable out, you find this little tab right here. You press on it and then you pull out. That's what I did to get it off. No one, they basically cut to where it's off. They don't show you. Anyways, found out what was burning, which was interesting. Anything out of here? Everything looks fine on this. A little dirty, but looks good. Wow. A lot of shit. Oh, and what everybody's wondering, that little button that you press, it's right here. That's the button you press to get this out. So, fuses down there are right. I checked all of them, they're good. I have no idea, it's right here. Don't know if that was it, or I'm gonna have to get a new one of these, which is awesome. So yeah, I'm going to finish up here, then I'll bring you guys back once I figure more stuff out. Hey guys, we are back on day 2. I tried figuring everything out and I had a really tough time, as you can see. Yeah. Okay, so little backstory. When I tried to move little blue end to this tent, it would not start, it would not crank. I'm pretty sure I put the clip in when it started smoking a little bit. Sorry for the wind. But yeah, it started smoking, and the instrument cluster where the little dial for the alternator, whatever, the battery, whatever you want to call that, that started to smoke, and after that, nothing ran. Nothing, didn't turn on, no clicks, no nothing, not the key. So I got a new one of these. I got a new key. I got an actual new key. A new ignition switch. That's a switch where the key slides into. I got me one of those. And I would say about $100 later, I didn't need any of that. Something just came unhooked. Yeah. But here's why I might need a little bit of help figuring this out. There's like a couple wires that I have no idea what they go to. There's this one wire, right? Goes down here, goes to this, which in turn goes to this right here. So, and then this goes into the cabin and everything, right? But where the hell does this piece right here go to, and this go to? I was looking on the diagram and everything. It says it's supposed to go to an emitter or something like that. Is that supposed to be inside the cab? So I'm not too sure on what's that on. But anyways, guys, it starts up. It actually cranks again. So yeah, I even got one of these little buttons. But yeah, I'll show you. Ooh, it's a little tight in here too. It's just a little tight. Only a little. Oh my god. But anyways, brand new of the key and the little switch inside. Oh my god. Key is in, everything's in. It actually cranks up. So I'm willing to bet I didn't hook it up right. That's what I'm betting. It's something right here in this general area. It's something with this, because the only thing that I didn't have hooked up would be, this is supposed to be the fusible link that I thought was blown, so I just spliced in a new wire, which is over here and goes to here. This one. Yes, I will be I got all this kind of stuff over here that I'll be using, and I got some what do you call this stuff? Heat shrink. I got a lot of heat shrink for this too. So I'm gonna try to light this thing off again, see if it goes, and well, if it does, I'm gonna start heat shrinking stuff together and pray nothing does this again. So I'm gonna throw you guys on the tripod and let's do it. So guys, as you can easily tell, she ran, and to my ears, pretty fucking good too. Auto response and everything. So now that I know it runs, I'm gonna start heat shrinking everything and I guess we'll come back, do a little time lapse of me heat shrinking and everything, and let's go do that. Okay guys, we're back, and I really want to clarify this, guys. I really do need help on what the hell these things go to. Where is it? This one. The yellow wire goes to the voltage regulator, which is down here. I have this. Goes here, and then here. What does this red one go to? I have no idea. So I'm going to trace it back and everything. This black wire over here, is it just okay for me to cap them off with those caps? Or should I actually hook them up? Truck starts perfectly fine without those being hooked up. Unless that's what burnt out my my alterator, my alt sensor, whatever you want to call that, my actuator, that's in the cluster. That's gone. So yeah, don't know what to do here. As of right now, truck runs perfectly fine. So this is going to be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of Little Blue content. And I guess I'll see you in the next video.